Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how we can import bank statements through Spreadsheet via FBDI template. Click on Cash Management. Click on Bank Statements and Reconciliation. Click on Task List. Now click on Create Bank Statements in Spreadsheet. So that system will download the spreadsheet. Now we will see how you can configure how you can populate the spreadsheet. Mainly you have to populate three sheets: statement headers, statement balances, and statement lines, and the remaining tabs are not mandatory. These are not mandatory. Now we will see statement headers. Click on task list. Click on create bank statement. If you see, it is asking us to select the bank account, ERPZEN RI bank account. Period start date June 1st and period end date 30th. And what is the statement number? This is the statement number which we have populated on the spreadsheet. So the same information we have populated in the spreadsheet. See the statement number, the bank account number, from where you can get the bank account number. Go to the task, say yes. Search for the task called manage bank accounts. Click on manage bank accounts task. Now search for your bank account, ERPZEN bank account. This is the one. From here you can get the bank account number 234565. The same we have populated, and this is not an intraday statement. The statement date, click on cancel. Click on cash management, bank statements and reconciliation. Click on task list. Now click on create bank statement. The bank account, period start date, end date, the statement ID, and the statement date is 6/8/2026, today's date. What is the currency code? Statement from date, and that means period start date and period end date we have populated. And now select the sheet, unhide all the columns, and check bank name. You have to provide the bank name as well. The bank name. All these fields are optional. There is no columns that has to be populated. We are fine with this sheet. Now click on statement balances. In this sheet mainly we have to populate the opening balance and the closing balance. If you see balances, It is only talking about opening and closing balances. So since there is no balance, you have to populate the same statement number and the bank account number. What is the opening balance and what is the closing balance? What is the balance currency and what is the credit debit indicator and what is the balance date? For this month, I'm going to load bank statement. So select the sheet, unhide all the columns and check what are all the columns that has to be populated. Original balance code, these are all optional fields. So that's it for the sheet. In this sheet, we mainly populate the statement number, the bank account number, from which date to which date, and the bank name. In this sheet, the statement balance sheet, we mainly populate the opening and closing balances. And in statement lines, the real statement lines will populate in this sheet. And you have to populate the same statement number. Now, if you click on statement lines, select our bank account, select from start date to end date. Now select period, statement ID. If you click on create, it is asking what is the booking date. It is asking what is the booking date, statement line, statement number, bank account number, what is the line number one. See, if you can see the H column, booking date, we have populated that. And line number, what is the transaction code? Our transaction code is CHK check. The same we have populated. What is the transaction type? Check. What is the amount? What is the bank account currency? If you go to manage bank accounts task, you will be able to see the bank account currency. Click on your username. Click on setup and maintenance. Search for the task called manage bank accounts. Open the task manage bank accounts. Now search for your bank account ERPZEN. This is our bank account. See, currency is USD dollar. Now the same we have populated. Now let us go into statement lines. Click on bank statement and reconciliation. Click on task list. Now click on create bank statement. Bank account from 1st to 30th. Statement ID, give some random ID. Now if you click on create, the statement date, the transaction code, the transaction type, and what is the amount, what is the bank account currency, what is the booking date, and credit debit indicator. It is nothing but flow indicator. It is nothing but flow indicator, credit debit indicator. And what is the check number? It is nothing but reconciliation reference. At reconciliation reference, you can populate the check number. And remaining fields are optional. and remaining fields are optional. Now click on instructions and CSV generation. So click on generate CSV. Click on save. Click on save. It is going to generate three files. Now the CSV file was generated. Now let us load the data. Click on yes. Click on navigator. Click on tools. Click on scheduled processes. Click on schedule new process. Now run load interface. Load interface file for import. Click on OK. And the import job is import bank statements from spreadsheet. Import bank statement from spreadsheet. Hit search. This is the import job. Import bank statement from a spreadsheet. This is the job. Import bank statements from a spreadsheet. Click on OK. Now select your data file. Now select your data file. Click on upload a new file. Click on choose file. Click on open. Now click on OK. Click on submit. 7019. Click on OK. Refresh. Hit refresh. Refresh until the process gets submitted successfully. All the child jobs are successfully completed. Yeah. Even automatically, system has scheduled import bank statements from a spreadsheet. It was automatically submitted. The import job. Now let us go and review the bank statement. Click on cash management. Click on bank statement and reconciliation. Click on task list. Now click on manage bank statements. Now search for your bank account. Say ERPZEN RA bank account. Click on OK. Now click on search to retrieve the search results. See, system has loaded the bank statement and the statement number is the same which we have provided and the entry type is imported, it is not manual. So open the statement, the bank account, the period start date, the end date, the statement ID, the balance, the entry type is imported, and you can see the opening balance and closing balance is 0. And if you click on statement lines, the line number, the booking date, the transaction code, click on view, columns, show all, the transaction type, the reconciliation status, the check number, and amount is deposited. So click on edit to view the full information. See the line number, the booking date, the transaction code, the transaction type, the flow indicator, what is the amount. So click on OK. Say save and close. Click on home. So that's how you want. So that's how you have to load the bank statements into Oracle Fusion Cash Management module. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.